Hi guys, welcome to the Weihui video channel. Today, I will show you the SD4 series remote controls. This series of remote control needs to be used with a 5-in-1 receiver. The receiver can switch between 5 color modes to control different light strips. Each remote control corresponds to a different lighting mode. Now, connect the RGBW light strip and 5-in-1 receiver into a group. Then, press Match SCT twice to enter the settings. And then short press it to switch to RGBCW color mode. Selecting the RGBCW mode, long press to save it. And the LED light strip will flash. Now, remote control pairing. Turn off the power and then turn on the power. Immediately long press the on key on the remote. The light will blink 3 times to indicate successful matching. You can use this remote control to turn on and off the light, or adjust the brightness, color, mode, speed, etc. Similarly, single color sender match single color light strips, dual color sender match dual color temperature light strips, RGB sender match RGB light strips, and RGBW sender match RGBW light strips. If you change the light strip to another one, you need to switch the color mode of the controller again and reconnect to the sender. This series of remote control switches is suitable for home lighting and commercial lighting. Thank you for watching this video.